So good day. Today our next activity will be the laboratory 4, which is understanding the database administration and applying security into our database. So for today, we're going to use MySQL, okay, MySQL, and then to create a company database. So I have created a company DB over here. So yung mo to database called company, and then we created a user by admin and by staff. So we assign privileges, just select, insert, update, and delete. So kining select, insert, update, and delete, i-assign na to siya sa admin ang kanang mga privileges. So we granted all the privileges sa atuang admin user. So meaning it can select, insert, update, and delete. While ang diri sa kining sa staff user, ang mahimo lang niya is mag-update, mag-select, mag-insert, o mag-update, but it cannot delete the actual any data on the database. Then I flushed all their privileges. Preferred privileges didn't allow these options. So atong tanawon ang iyang mga privileges. So admin user granted all the privileges, no? While sa atuang staff user can only select, insert, and update, and delete is cannot be done. Okay. So for our security and integrity, use primary keys and foreign keys. So ang foreign keys, kung for example maghimo to diri og our foreign key here would be the foreign key na to diri would be the from our department, which is kini department ID, and then yes, itong primary department ID. So initiate tag foreign key sa atong create sa atong table na employees, and then we've initiated a foreign key department ID. So we send a department ID here, which is our foreign key and reference to our department's ID. So kung unsa ang department ID diri, mo jud na siya. Kung unsa ang department ID diri sa employees, mo jud na siya ang department ID sa departments because it is unique. It should be unique. Okay, it should be unique. Also so it is very important. It's because it prevents duplicating records, ensures data consistency sa itong mga tables. Labi na diri sa itong employees. And then sa name, so not nalatang ibang diri because it cannot be empty or it cannot be blank. So it should have a value or an input. It should have an input and not be empty. Also, there is an email. It should be unique and not be duplicated or pare-pareho ang uban. Okay, it should not be it must be unique. So that is our constraint sa natong gigamit diri sa tong employees na table, no, for our email. So that's it, guys. And sa tong insert employees, so nag-test na diri og nag-insert og values sa ato ang employees na table, which is name, email, and department ID. So since wala man ang 9999 na ID, now diri sa ato ang department ID, so it cannot be created. Therefore, cannot add or update child row a foreign constraint fails. So that's why it fails. Then for our task 3, we've got to ensure the data availability and the disaster recovery. We must back up and recover. It's important, guys, para if ever na ma-delete or ma-accidentally delete ang atong mga data sa atong database, so for ma-delete sa admin, then you should find a way to back up para natay backup sa tuang mga na-delete na mga data sa atong database if ever na ma-delete siya. So how to create, export, restore, one full backup of company. So diri dili ta manually na maka store o backup. It's because I cannot na problema diri sa shell sa atong SAM, no, sa atong CLI dili ta makalagin sa atong root. So that would be our main problem here. So you cannot demonstrate kung saan siya pag literally backup. See, nakalimutan ko yung password or may tao ang password pero mag-enter yung password is mali jaban siya. Wala na tama ang password pero mali. Customized for root. So kung wala po dito di po ta magbutang og password, so ay dira or G definition is 12. Okay, so wait lang. Okay. Yeah. It works here. We've created a backup, manual backup. Okay. Para sa tuang file na company DB. From here. Okay, so we created a backup for that. So next na exit na ko ang shell kanina, which is what we use to backup. So sa tuang sa tuang kung ano siya pag-restore, pero I cannot restore the backup. So if you would find the backup, no, kita na to siya diri. So man siya ang gi-backup na sa tuang company DB na database. So if import na to ni siya, we could import it here, no. So but for now we can't import because we have a problem, small problem for that. So but likewise, it's very important to back up to ensure that the data and availability is always are prepared and initiated in case a disaster or a recovery is mightable. For example, is data is deleted, tapos there's no way of coming back, so it's important na nato i-backup para mabalik ang atuang database without any problem. Okay? So this is critical and essential for business continuity, no? And that is important for not only in business but sa mga organizations, no? If magtrabaho ka sa mga organizations, it is very important to to practice a backup to ensure the safety of the databases. Okay, and that's all for today, and thank you.